everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let me just get it out there, you guys. There's gonna be like hundreds of videos regarding home updates because first of all, I'm excited about those. Those are like my favorite videos to see. So now that the house is completely white, we are starting to lift up all the trim around the house, but I don't like it. Unfortunately, we're gonna end up changing that as well. It had a lot of nails to it and the trim is very thin. It's not meant for a house, so we're gonna stick to more of a modern look. A quick tip: it's your house, so might as well, it's a house that you're putting money into, your love and your soul. Might as well spoil yourself by buying expensive, not expensive, but good quality product, unlike us. We're gonna lift up all the trim around the house, eventually put new ones in eventually. All right, so the reason why we're lifting up all the trim around the house is to start lifting up all the floor. If you guys recall, all the floor is brown, like caca brown, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put in this faux marble vinyl flooring. We went with vinyl because we have kids and dogs and they piss everywhere. That's the reason. Anyways, enough words. Let's go ahead and start with you guys with the pantries. Because this is the first pantry right here. This one is officially not organized at all. I put my pots and pans here so far just so I don't have to be bending down every time like I was at the other apartment. Here I want to install like an espresso machine. It's a very tight space. I was gonna put my coffee mugs here, but they didn't fit, so I have that so far. Let me show you guys the backyard. It's such a mess right now. I'm storing things for my mom here, but we'll take care of that later. The garage is officially full. We have some moving boxes, trash, a lot of trash. We just barely installed the trash, like the bills and all that, the utilities. So they're gonna come Tuesday to pick all that up. But moving on to the next cabinet or pantry, I have all these container sets still need to be filled. So far I think I'm gonna keep it like this until I get more ready for anything. My mom had some few things here. I told her not to put nothing on the bottom because the floor is gonna be lifting up, but that's fine. And then here I have just something here. It's not gonna stay like that because I can't really decorate until I have all my furniture in. I have my cups. I need to get more for the kids. These are all of my coffee mugs right here. My Starbucks, some of the things that I've gotten from Target at the dollar spot. It's the way to go. I have some of my plates here, and I have my containers up here along with more up here. So far this is how it's been looking, nothing too special. And just so you guys could get an overlook before I go upstairs, so here's the bathroom, the garage, and then the first and second living room. And then when you walk here, you go to the kitchen and the rest of the living room. So my goal is to have all that flooring that's gonna come through coordinate with everything. And then the table's not gonna stay there. I want to have an island right here that seats like 3 or 4 people. I want 4 people to be sitting there. And then the table probably might go in that living room or this one. This one has this hole where you can put a TV in here. So I'm still not sure how that's gonna go. But when you go upstairs, since we're gonna lift up the flooring, all this is gonna come out. I did all the trimming around the house and I took it out. But if you guys remember, the walls were really outdated. So that's my son's room, my other son's room, my daughter's room, which is one of my favorites so far. And here, we lifted up the flooring here. Here is the first bathroom so far. Needs a lot of work. And then here is the spare bedroom, and here is my room with a sneak peek of the flooring that's gonna go all over the house. We opted for this flooring because it's more us, or more me should I say. I started unpacking already all of my makeup, which you could see right here. We still need to add the trim around this room. I still have to unpack all the bathroom stuff. We've been just using one sink so far. My dad put knobs. He did the whole painting around the house. He did this flooring. He's putting a light in this closet right here, and then he's gonna put trim around the door because the trim here, I guess like they had a dog here and he's saying that it was scratching, so it messed up the wood. I want to get a new vanity, but for now this will do. And yes, we have trash bags all over in this room right here because we haven't had time to put curtains, and I have curtains hanging right there, and then I have the rods right there, so we could start. We just haven't had time. We've been super busy. Oh, we ended up painting everyone's room as well. My daughter's room was really bad. It was like a very bright blue, and my dad didn't cover none of these floorings up. He just spray painted everything, and it was very easy to take off, so that's pretty cool. The laundry room is also painted white. Yesterday we took off the thing that goes over here, so now we have to put in the flooring and get that thing, that little like tub thing that goes on the bottom of the washer. But look how dirty it looks. So here's like what I'm saying, like all this is seeping through, and that's what we have to work with. So back here, here's the master bathroom, and I have absolutely lost control over everything. I have everything out here because remember I told you guys that this bathroom smells like someone is smoking here. We have to now put kills all over here, repaint this. We already ordered the lights, so that should be coming, and that light has vents in it, so we don't smoke, so thank God for that. There's a door that goes here, which is right there. We're planning to keep the house how it is. I know the door is very irrelevant here, but I don't want things in the garage that are very unnecessary if it belongs in the house. So far that's a quick update. Me and my husband need a new bed, so that's next on the list. And then we have to have a light up in that closet. We still have dressers that are going to go in there, which are in the garage, and we can't really do anything in there much besides put clothes in that are hanging or up in the closet because we ran out of flooring, and he needs to do this, and everything in this whole house is gonna have floor, this kind of floor. So it should get here today, if not today, over the weekend. But yeah, so far this has been going on in my life. It's been very chaotic, especially because now I'm officially working again from home. Thank goodness for that. But work has been very busy. I haven't had time to unpack things that are necessary, but today's Friday, so work right now seems pretty slow, so I'm gonna catch up with a few things here and there, and then once it hits 4, I'm not gonna do overtime today and just go ahead and clock out and go ahead and start unpacking more items. I have to put all this away, get my dad organized because he has tools everywhere around the house as well. But yeah, stay tuned for so much more.